Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, May 28th. Time is around 5:40 GMT, and today the market is closed. It's Sunday, but we will have a look at the higher time frame of the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So with the higher time frame, I mean the weekly, the daily, which might be important for investors, but which is also important for us as traders as a preparation for the trading week. In my daily videos, I only consider the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes. But so the higher time frame, let's start with the weekly. It's my take on the DAX that we finished here 5 waves up from the March 2020 lows to the November 21 highs. This is clearly 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had here a first wave of the higher degree. And then we corrected this first wave in a wave 2. This is a rather corrective structure. And actually we fulfilled the minimum requirement for a wave 2. So a wave 2 typically ends between the 0.5 and 0.854 FIB retracements. So this box, as you can see, we hit this box and we had a very nice reaction to the upside. So this reaction to the upside could actually be our next wave 3. So wave 3 of the higher degree, 1, 2, and now we are starting a wave 3. But so every wave up goes in 5 waves actually, and so I believe we are doing here wave 1, and wave 1 is actually close to finish. Also in my video of last weekend and the weekend before, I already warned that we might expect a pullback in the higher time frame. And so if we have to go down, like if we have to correct this impulsive wave 1, this will happen in a wave 2, corrective structure to the downside. And if we would assume that the high is in here, then our target for this wave 2 becomes this box. Again, the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. This is our target area for a wave 2. So why do I believe, or why do I expect a pullback in the higher time frame? Like if you look at the start of this wave 2, we actually already have 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are doing the 5, and we clearly have divergence in an RSI. So we are making new highs in price, but actually the strength of these moves are getting weaker and weaker, and this is the first sign of a turnaround. But yeah, that does not mean, of course, that in the lower time frame we can see a bit more upside. We can still end somewhere here with having divergence in RSI. Only if we take out this this RSI here, this level of RSI, like with a very good push to the upside, then I might reconsider my my count. But for now, with the data we have, yeah, in my opinion, we are finishing our wave 5, or we even already finished our wave 5 here, and we might expect a pullback in the higher time frame. So if you are an investor, so investing on a long-term time horizon, I would definitely not buy now, but I would wait for some kind of pullback to buy again. Okay, so something interesting. Now, like if the this comment I should make, like it could be that our wave 5 is in here, but we can also see a bit more upside, and then a very interesting area to monitor is this box. This will be, or this is, the equal leg area from your wave 1 and your wave 2. This might be a very interesting area to go short. There will be definitely some reaction here, a reaction to the downside, but yeah, it's not sure that we will reach this area. As I said, like all requirements are fulfilled to have 5 waves up. It could be like this. It could be that we see a bit more upside. Therefore, we have to analyze the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes. But this is something I do on my daily videos. And the weekend, I only consider the higher time frame. So I expect pullback in the near future. But something interesting to notice is that we had a nice move up on Friday. I also advised in my video on Friday to go long from this area, and look what a nice push we had to the upside. And yeah, in the weekly and the daily, this looks like a successful retest of this resistance zone that now turned into support zone. So as you can see, we were playing here in this zone. We were bumping around in this support resistance zone. Actually, we broke it to the upside. We went back down again, and then on Friday we had this nice push up, which might mean a successful retest of the resistance, which turns into support. Then, like on the weekly, this is actually a nice candle. You see the bears pushed the DAX down even below the support, the resistance zone, but then the bulls came in and they pushed above this support zone. And actually then we closed on Friday above this support zone. So in the beginning of the week it looked very very bearish, but then on Friday the bulls came in. So this is an interesting observation. We have to see how this further play out. I will analyze next week every day the lower time frame, so we will see what will happen. But yeah, do not trust candlesticks only. Like now this looks bullish from a candlestick perspective, but you cannot base your trading solely on candlesticks. It could be that if we consider the 4 hour, that we see the beginning of next week like a bit more upside, and then that we drop again like a stone. Like this can be your wave 1 down, then we are making some wave 2 to the upside, and then we have a wave 3 down. But this is something I will analyze during my daily videos in the upcoming week. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and see you tomorrow for another video and an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.